one in each cabin with like 3 showers and probably like 2.
We have 2.
Yeah. There's a smaller one. Like I think they both sleep the same amount of people. But like I think one's smaller because it doesn't have like a eating quarter or something.
I thought we were getting a condo, one big thing.
No, we're getting 2 cabins.
2 cabins.
And by the way, I have this whole conversation on video.
Oh really?
Yeah,
That's
about
fun.
bathrooms and condos.
Hey, okay. Well,
I was about to say
condos. 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 But yeah, there's gonna be some of those.
Oh. Going over to Chris's house.
Yeah.
I have that on video too. Sorry, Brandon.
Yeah. Oh, you're videotaping it.
Yeah, I said that like 4 times.
Well, I thought you meant just our conversation. I don't know why, just our conversation.